We've come to the end of this 4-part series, and really this email that you're getting is asking you whether you are ready to start learning skills and using Birthing Better. As said before, the concept that when you're pregnant, become skilled and use some skills, that includes everything. If you want to take Lamaze or Bradley, hypnobirthing, hypnobabies, calm birth, birthing within, or any other skills-based method, please do. Birthing Better can work with all of those in areas that they lack. So Birthing Better is comprehensive. There are a lot of skills. Do we spend hours and hours and hours doing it? We spend much less time being skilled than we do planning and thinking about birth. And that's what you need to know. Choices, you may not have them, or they may change, or you may not like the ones that you decided on. But if you have skills, you can always birth better, particularly if you've worked together. Whenever you work through a Birthing Better resource, understand that online learning management systems are linear. You don't have to be linear. Pick the skills you want as a pregnant woman and learn those first. And have your partner pick the skills they want as a birth coach and learn those first. And then teach each other. It should be fun. You want to enliven your cortex, your thinking brain, and you want to yoke it to your body. That's how we use skills. We consciously use skills. We're blessed with a human mind. Athletes use their mind to imagine their athletic event. Birth is an athletic event. It's climbing Mount Everest without practicing. It's doing a 24-hour marathon without practicing. So when you learn these skills, you have to imagine in your mind how you can apply them, and then choose to apply them. The reason that you are having so much trouble just having a natural birth nowadays is because of the changes that occurred in society in the 1980s and the pressure that women put on the medical profession and the ability to go to work and have birth control. But the natural birth movement didn't bring skills and choices along together. So by the 1980s, those childbirth classes shifted entirely away from skills into information, the pros and cons of medical assessments, monitoring procedure. And that's where it is today. We're stuck. It's your generation that can change this. You have to tell people what the concept is. All of your friends and relatives, if you're pregnant, learn some skills and use them. You have to be a representative, not of this undefined natural birth. What does that mean? What does that mean? What does normal and natural birth mean? Does that mean you never go to a doctor for a checkup? Does that mean nobody listens to your baby's heartbeat? What does that mean? So for Birthing Better, what it means is we're going to have a baby. It's natural to give birth at the end of pregnancy, one way or another. We've used Birthing Better skills, driving to the hospital, being prepped, having a cesarean. We've loved preparing our body. If labor didn't go the way that we wanted and something happened and we had an unexpected cesarean, we just kept using our skills. We became skilled to work through the activity of birthing our baby. We didn't fall into the trap of philosophy around birth. It's our baby's birth. That's what we want you to know, is that your birth is always natural, whether you have risks or not, whether you like it or not, whether people do things to you like or not, whether you get the birth you want or not. You are birthing your baby. And when you can do it with skills, you will birth better. That's what we want you to know. And so, yes, think about purchasing our home birth course or our hospital course. All of them include the modules from the complete course with added modules that are specific for home birth or hospital birth. We've had wonderful births in hospitals, horrible births at home, wonderful and horrible births in birth centers, and vice versa. Mix it all up. But those of us who've used skills have always birthed better. And that's really the bottom line. That's really what you want, is to birth better. Thank you for listening.